Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you all know, I'm a booktuber. And in our last video, I completed the book, The Practice of Brahmacharya Reference, and that book came to an end. And from today onwards, I'll be starting a new book. The name of this book is The Power of the Subconscious Mind, friends. Okay, so friends, this book is very interesting, and this book is written by Dr. Joseph Murphy. And friends, I always recommend you to read this book because this book is always going to give you a 360-degree dimension on looking for everything, friends, in your life, friends. Okay. So from today onwards, I will start this book, and in this book, first I'm going to explain you each and every topic, topic wise, so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what going to do is I'm going to give a number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from that, if you come directly by seeing 18 video, 20 video, there's quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay, friends. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification. So friends, in our today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the each and every topic which I'm going to cover in this full book, friends. Okay. So this is going to be the first topic of this book, The Power of the Subconscious Mind. And from next topic, I'm going to start each and every topic topic wise, friends. Okay. So here in front of this book, it is written international bestseller, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, million of copies sold worldwide. Okay. And this is by Dr. Joseph Murphy. So, and friends, here there is a short thing written in back. I will read it for you, friends. Okay. The Power of Subconscious Mind is a self-help book written by Joseph Murphy. So here it is said that The Power of the Subconscious Mind is a self-help book which is written by Joseph Murphy. The author focuses on his theory that harnessing the power of the subconscious mind can bring about amazing and positive transformation in the individual life. So friends, here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that by focusing on the subconscious mind, you can bring the amazing benefits and positive changes in your life, friends. Okay. Originally published in 1963. So this book was originally published in 1963. This book helped readers to see life from the different angle. So here Joseph Murphy is telling that this book is useful for the users to see their life in a different angle and in a 360-degree angle, and put effort in a complete different way. And the readers also can put effort in their life in a complete different way, whether you want to be rich or be successful in life. So this is a very important statement, friends. Okay. So here Joseph Murphy is telling whether you want to be rich in your life or whether you want to be successful in your life, attain advancement in professional life, or fulfill a dream. So either you want to attain advancement in your professional life or you want to fulfill your dream. Putting simple effort can get you all. So here Joseph Murphy is telling by putting the simple effort you can get it all. Explaining how this power gets active and work for or against you. So here Joseph Murphy is telling exactly how this power gets active and or this power work against you. Dr. Murphy tells the technique of awakening the wisdom and the hidden inspiration. So, friends, here Dr. Joseph Murphy is telling us the technique of awakening the wisdom and the hidden inspiration. Learn the easy and simple technique to make your subconscious mind work for you. So, here Joseph Murphy is telling learn the simple and easy technique for making the subconscious mind work for us. Follow few guidelines and see your life change positively. So here Joseph Murphy is telling follow few guidelines and see how your life changes, friends. Okay. So and now let's come here. It's written the power of the subconscious mind, and then here comes the topic one by one. So I will be covering what topic I will be covering in the full video, friends. Okay. The treasure house within you. So this is the topic, the treasure house within you. So after that, how your own mind works. Okay. Then afterward it will come the miracle working power of your subconscious. this is going to come. Then mental healing in ancient times. After that it will come mental healing in modern times. Then after that practical technique in mental healing. After that the tendency of the subconscious is life word. So after that how to get the result you want. So then how to use the power of your subconscious for wealth. After that your right to be rich. Then it comes your subconscious mind as a partner in success. So these are the topics which I'm going to cover in the coming videos, friends. Okay, scientists use the subconscious mind, then your subconscious and the wonder of sleep. Afterwards your subconscious mind and marital problems. After that your subconscious mind and your happiness. After that comes your subconscious mind and the harmonious human relations. Okay, so after that it will come how to use your subconscious mind for forgiveness. After that it comes how your subconscious removes mental block. Okay, after that it comes how to use your subconscious mind to remove fear. After that it comes how to stay young in spirit forever. So this topic comes. So friends, in this there are subtopics also, and in our next video I'm going to cover the topic called the treasure house within you. So this topic I'm going to cover, friends. Okay, so friends, this bring video comes to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.